Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to merge duplicate articles on your Google Scholar using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Type googlescholar.com in the address bar and tap Go. This will open Google Scholar homepage. Once you're on your Google Scholar homepage, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left and tap on My Profile. Scroll through the list of articles and find duplicates that needs merging. Scroll down and tap the checkbox next to each duplicate article to select them. After selecting the duplicate, tap the merge button at the top. After that, tap merge and that's it. You have successfully merged duplicate articles on your Google Scholar using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.